We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2013 Harley-Davidson Dyna Fat Bob. This is a really clean looking motorcycle. We have the Harley-Davidson rider foot peg and rear brake. Matches the passenger one. We also have a Screamin' Eagle intake and the locking Harley-Davidson leather saddlebags. It's so nice that they lock. We have a cool derby cover and the Harley-Davidson grips as well. We run on a fob, so we are keyless. Miles are low, we're at 7,568. We also have a cool gas tank cover with a Willie G skull on it. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.